Hello everyone, welcome back to the box of entertainment. India recently finished the development of the biggest bird sculpture in the planet. The model required 10 years to make. It was carved utilizing a hammer and chisel. This is the way populations of countries have been changed consistently. This player did an excellent work at tricking the goal without contacting the ball. Situated in the desert of Chile are monster geoglyphs that have not changed in over 1000 years. Individuals from this time utilized these stones to create different art formations. A portion of these developments were utilized to calculate lunar and solar cycles and compare weather patterns. Unfortunately, a few organizations are utilizing this desert as a space for free advertising.
Yay!
Thanks for watching. If you are a new one here, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for update notification.